Welcome to Khetz tutorials, and in this video I'll be doing question 19 from D exercises in James Stewart calculus. So we're asked to draw this angle minus 3 pi over 4 radian in its standard position. So if you remember from the unit circle, we count in the anti-clockwise direction. That is where we have positive angles, which means if we want to have a negative angle, we're going to go in the clockwise direction instead. So your starting point here, remember that is 0 degrees or 0 radians. And in the positive direction, you'd have pi over 2 pi, 3 pi over 2, and then finally 2 pi. The same applies in the opposite direction. So this is minus pi over 2. This is minus pi. This is minus 3 pi over 2. And this would be minus 2 pi. So now let's try to place this. So when you usually count, this here, right in the middle, would be pi over 2, but now in the negative direction, it's negative pi over 4. I meant negative pi over 4. And this here would be negative 2 pi over 4, which is negative pi over 2. Then in this position, you now have negative 3 pi over 4. So that's where it's supposed to be. And that is how you draw it, and you'd indicate that that is the position it's supposed to take.